What are the 3 best small business insurance companies? If you're looking for the best small business insurance, watch this informative video. It looks at the 3 best small business insurance companies, the coverages they offer, reviews, and more. In business, accidents are surprisingly more common than most people assume. That's why it's so important that business owners are protected just in case there is an accident. Not to mention, coverage is essential for small and medium-sized businesses, with the average injury claim being a whopping $35,000. Regardless of the type or size of business you own, the most important thing is to never leave yourself vulnerable. You need to always make sure that a couple of insurance policies are covering just about every possible liability or risk present. Not having the correct type of insurance is just as good as not having insurance at all. When your business isn't protected, just about any accident can endanger its existence. Finding insurance can be easier said than done. Not to mention, there are some companies that are better than others. That's why, in a bid to save you a great deal of hard work, we've listed 3 of the best insurance companies for small business owners. Our 3 best small business insurance companies ranking is based on a couple of variables, including cost, customer service, quality, insurance claim processing, and coverage that meets the needs of most small businesses. Our 3 best small business insurers are Liberty Mutual, The Hartford, and Travelers. 1. Why is Liberty Mutual Insurance a top-rated small business insurer? One of the reasons we chose Liberty Mutual is that they are amongst the best business owners policy, BOP, insurers. The company offers business owners a pretty swift and easy process. Plus, they cover many different industries, and coverage can be combined for what can often be a pretty cost-effective small business insurance policy. In other words, business owners enjoy a suitable coverage at a reasonable price regardless of the industry. 24-hour claim assistance. Liberty Mutual advertises 24-hour claim assistance mainly via its network. Liberty Mutual has adjusters working around the country, which is why the company tends to settle claims quicker than most of its competitors, even if those businesses are in rural communities. Its ability to swiftly address claims has earned the company an A+ rating by the Better Business Bureau. Most business owners should get their insurance policy through one of the many independent agents that work with the insurer. However, it is important to recognize that the company has many types of coverage, including commercial auto insurance, inland marine insurance, umbrella coverage, equipment breakdown coverage, workers' compensation, and others. In addition, there are 11 industry-specific solutions, including ones for financial institutions, public entities, wholesale, healthcare, and real estate. 2. Why is The Hartford Insurance a top-rated small business insurer? Hartford is a publicly traded, reputed insurance company headquartered in Hartford, Connecticut. The company mainly offers small business insurance via many flexible business insurance policies. While many American insurers only sell general liability and property insurance, under the business insurance policy, Hartford Small Business Insurance also includes interruption insurance. Having interruption insurance can be a significant advantage because it covers lost income, forced closure, and natural disasters. The insurer offers the following types of coverage for small business owners: general liability, workers' compensation, commercial auto insurance, business income insurance, business owners policies, commercial property insurance, commercial umbrella insurance, and cyber liability and data breach insurance. 3. Why is Travelers Insurance a top-rated small business insurer? Travelers is a great choice if you want to insure commercial property, primarily because they have a great deal of experience in this space. In fact, they were ranked the largest commercial property insurer in the U.S. Travelers is one of those companies that has a history of stretching back over 100 years. It started out with one of the founders writing accident insurance for just 2 cents premium. The company we all know today was officially formed in 2004, when St. Paul Companies and Travelers merged. That merger resulted in an A++ rating by AM Best. Travelers has various policies and are designed to meet the needs of businesses across over 20 industries. The most popular industries include transportation, construction, retail, and manufacturing, among others. Though the company now has a considerable amount of expertise in the commercial property insurance space, According to information from Insurance Information Institute, the company writes a boatload of property insurance, so much so that it ranked #1 in 2019 for commercial property insurance in the U.S. The company also offers various other types of insurance policies, including cyber liability, commercial auto, workers' compensation, surety bonds, etc. That said, the prices for these policies vary by industry. The other interesting thing about Travelers is that the company operates in the US and across the border in Canada and the UK. That's why it's perhaps one of the few companies that a business owner who does business internationally can contact for an insurance policy best suited to their needs. Travelers also has an A+ BBB rating. However, there are quite a few complaints against the company, so business owners should do their due diligence. Make sure to review the policy's documents before seeking coverage from Travelers, especially if it's through an independent agent. How do you get a quote from the 3 best small business insurance companies? Call the Small Business Insurance Quote Line at 855-767-7828 from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time to start your free quote, or simply click on the link below.